how to subtract time in Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to teach you how you can subtract time on Excel. So first things first, open up your Excel, and then after you have made your timesheet, go to duration, and then uh, select all the cells where you want the time to be subtracted, and then right click and scroll down. You'll see format cells. Go ahead and tap on it, and then tap on time, and here change it to the second option and tap on OK. Now tap on equals to, and then choose the end time and subtract it. Tap on the minus, and then choose the start time and tap on enter. Now you just have to drag it down, and there you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.